Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files on Google Drive in any Android phone. Simply open the Google Drive, tap on three lines. Here you can see you get 15 GB free storage. Now tap on plus. From here you can upload file and folder. From here you can make the folder in Google Drive. For example, gaming files. As you can see, new folder is created in my Google Drive. Now I want to add photos. Simply tap on upload. I will select the images. As you can see here, only images is showing. I will simply select this one. As you can see here, my screenshot is uploaded. Now if you want to add the file, then tap on plus, upload, tap on three lines. Here you get images, videos, audios, document, downloads, and here my files. You can simply select the file you want to upload. For example, if I go in downloads, I am selecting this APK file. Simply tap on done. As you can see here, APK file is uploading. So this is how you can upload files on Google Drive. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.